In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view emails in Calendar View in Microsoft Outlook. By the end, you'll be able to see your calendar and your emails side by side, which makes planning and replying so much easier. Start by opening your web browser. In the address bar, head to your preferred search engine and search for Outlook. From the results, click the official Outlook website. If you're already signed in, you'll land in your inbox. If not, sign in with your usual account and you'll be taken to your mail. Once your inbox is open, look toward the top right corner of the screen for the My Day icon. It usually looks like a small calendar or a square with a check mark, and it sits near the Settings gear and the Help icon. Click that My Day button. This opens a slim panel on the right side of the screen that lets you access handy tools without leaving your inbox. Inside the My Day panel, you'll see options like To Do and Calendar. Click Calendar. This switches the panel into a compact calendar view, so you can quickly browse dates, jump to another day, and see what's already scheduled. If you don't immediately see your appointments, use the date picker at the top of the panel or the arrows to move between days. The key benefit here is that the panel stays open while you continue working through your emails. Now, with your calendar visible on the right, open any email from your inbox. The message opens in the main area, and your calendar remains pinned on the side. This is the real time saver. You can read a message about a meeting request, glance at your availability, and decide on a time without switching screens. As you read or reply, you can navigate the calendar panel to different days and confirm what works for you. If you're composing a response, the calendar view stays put, so you can reference it at any time. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. If the My Day panel closes, or you don't see it after opening a message, just click the My Day icon again to bring it back. If your window is very narrow, try maximizing the browser so the panel and the message can display comfortably. And remember, you can close the panel anytime by clicking the same My Day icon once more. That's it. You've learned how to view your emails alongside your calendar in